What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Trey, the channel where we cut through the hype and get straight to the tech that actually matters. And today, we've got a phone that isn't just pushing the bar, it's practically redefining what a flagship smartphone can be in 2025. If you've been holding out for something with insane performance, elite cameras, and the kind of feature set that leaves nothing off the table, then buckle up, because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and it's an absolute monster. This phone packs everything. We're talking next-level AI, a powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery, an insanely good camera setup, and of course, Samsung's iconic built-in S Pen for all your creative and productivity needs. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a creative pro, a casual scroller, or just someone who wants the best of the best, this phone is built to dominate. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. If you're all about no-fluff tech reviews, hit subscribe for more weekly bangers, and let's break down why the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the ultimate Android flagship this year. Let's start with the design. The S25 Ultra is sleek, futuristic, and premium in every sense. This titanium white-silver finish, absolutely stunning. It's got that clean, professional aesthetic, but still feels bold and luxurious in the hand. The curves are subtle, the build quality is top tier, and that slightly boxy, note-inspired shape gives it a real sense of power and precision. It looks high-end, because it is. And when you pull this out of your pocket, it turns heads. Now the display, and Samsung never misses here. You're looking at a massive 6.8-inch OLED display that pushes a resolution of 1440 by 3120. That's buttery smooth, ultra-dense pixel clarity paired with Samsung's top-of-the-line color calibration and brightness. This screen is perfect for everything: streaming in HDR, editing photos, sketching with the S Pen, gaming at high refresh rates. It's all stunningly crisp and vibrant. Blacks are pure, colors pop, and text is razor sharp. It's the kind of display that just makes everything feel premium. And under the hood, this thing is straight up loaded. We're rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the fastest chip you can get in an Android phone right now. It's built for speed, for AI, for multitasking, and it flies through absolutely everything. Whether you're editing 4K video on the go, switching between 10 apps at once, or gaming at high frame rates, the S25 Ultra handles it all without breaking a sweat. Pair that with 12 gigs of RAM, and you've got more than enough memory to keep things running smooth, no matter what you're doing. Heavy multitasking? No problem. Power apps like Lightroom, Photoshop, even mobile game streaming. This thing chews it all up and asks for more.
Now let's talk storage. You've got 512 gigabytes built in, and with speeds to match. That's half a terabyte of space for your high-res photos, videos, games, documents, and apps. No need to delete old stuff just to make room. It's ready for power users who want their whole digital world in one place. The battery? An absolute tank. 5,000 milliamp hours. And with Samsung's latest optimizations, you're easily getting a full day of heavy use. Maybe even more if you're light. And when you do need a top-up, the S25 Ultra supports super fast charging, so you're back in action in no time. Whether you're traveling, on location for a shoot, or just running errands all day, battery anxiety is a thing of the past. And of course, we've got to talk about the cameras. Because Samsung didn't hold back. This phone is built for creators, for photographers, for anyone who wants pro-level image quality without carrying a DSLR. With Samsung's AI-powered night mode, you're getting sharp, detailed low-light shots that look like they were taken in perfect lighting. The detail, clarity, and contrast are just wild. It's like having a full camera rig in your pocket, only smarter. But what really sets the S25 Ultra apart is the S Pen. Still built in, still iconic. Whether you're jotting notes, sketching, editing photos, signing documents, or just navigating with pinpoint precision, the S Pen is smooth, responsive, and incredibly natural. It turns your phone into a mobile workstation, a creative canvas, and a productivity tool, all in one. On top of that, this is an unlocked Android device, which means no carrier bloat, no restrictions. You get the clean Samsung One UI experience on top of Android 15, with all the newest AI features baked in. Smart multitasking, enhanced photo editing, predictive app launches, and a bunch of subtle AI optimizations that make the phone feel like it's learning how you use it. It's fast, fluid, and customized to you. And let's not forget durability. This thing is built tough. Premium materials, tight tolerances, and all the water and dust resistance you'd expect from a top-tier flagship. Whether you're out in the rain or taking calls on a dusty job site, this phone's ready. So who is this phone for? Honestly, anyone who refuses to compromise. If you're a creator
who needs a killer camera and editing tools on the go, it's built for you. If you're a professional who wants desktop-level multitasking and battery life, this phone's got you. If you're a gamer looking for speed, power, and a display that makes everything pop, look no further. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is for people who want it all. Let's run it back. A massive 6.8-inch OLED display, 1440 x 3120 resolution, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12 gigabytes RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, 5,000 milliamp hours battery with fast charging, AI night mode cameras, built-in S Pen, Android 15, titanium white silver finish. It's the total. Bottom line, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the most complete smartphone Samsung has ever built. It's fast, it's future-ready, and it's designed to elevate everything you do. Whether it's productivity, creativity, or pure entertainment, this phone steps up and delivers. Drop a comment below. Is the S25 Ultra your next upgrade, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know what feature you're most hyped about. Hit that like button, subscribe to Top 5 Trey, and keep it locked. We've got more real-world tech reviews coming your way every single week. Until next time, stay smart, stay connected, and peace out.